Alright guys, part 2 of the case of the gasping garbage. We've got several different kinds of contractions. At first we did all the ones that have not at the end. Now we're going to do the different variations. So let's take a look at this combination. There, it could be there is or there has. That's why I'm going to put both words in this box, just so that you know that this contraction can represent there is or there has. And it's theirs. Z, z. Th. That's the TH digraph. It makes one sound. It goes in one box. Excuse me. Which is the short E. And we have a silent E. Not sure why there's a silent E. The E is not making this vowel say its long sound, because it's saying which is the short sound. The E and R are not together. It does not say The E says its short sound, and then the R separate. We have a silent E. And Z. Apostrophe. We drop off the beginning of the word. Here's my little card again. If it's is or has, we drop off the beginnings of those words and put an apostrophe, meaning something is missing, and we just put the last sound, which is the S. There's. And because the S is following a voiced consonant, it's a voiced Z sound, is how we say it. There's. The next word is here and is. Here is. We don't really use here has. That doesn't make any sense. But here is, it would be here's. Ears. E. Now we got a silent E. But look, this is a long E. So that E is making that, the first E, say its long sound. Here. Now we drop the beginning of is and put the S, but it says the Z sound because it's following the R. The voiced makes the S voiced. Z. Here's. The next one is where. Could be is or has. Where has she gone? Where is she now? Where is or has is going to be where's. W-e-r-z. Wh. E-r. We have that silent E. It's not making him say his long sound, so I'm not sure why that one is there. Where. We drop off the beginning of the is or the has and put an apostrophe S. It says the Z sound because it's following a voiced consonant. Where's. The next one is it, is, or has. It's, it's, it's the short sound. T. And we drop off the beginning, apostrophe S. Now, does this one say Z or S? Say it out loud for me. It says the S because the t is not a voiced sound. D is the voiced sound for this. So the T does not have a voice, so this does not have a voice. Quiet, quiet. T, S, it's. Now we have when. When is or when has. So it's going to be wins. W, e, n, z. W, the WH digraph. E, it's a short sound. N, because that's a closed syllable. A single vowel followed by one or more consonants, the vowel is short. E, when. And then we drop the beginning part and put the S. My voice is on, so we're going to turn our voice on for this one, so it's the Z. Wins. When's he coming back? Wins. Let's see, now we're going to do the R contractions. So we have a word in front of the word R. We're going to drop off the A, put the apostrophe there, and put the R-E. Okay, so the apostrophe is going to be there in place of the A for R. Okay, the first one is going to be we. R is going to be we're. W-E-R. W-E, because that's an open syllable. Open syllable is one vowel at the end of a single syllable word. The vowel is long. E, we, apostrophe er. Then we have a silent E in the word R. And remember, I'm not sure why that silent E is in R, because it's providing no function. But that is the word we're. The next one is you are. You are. It's going to be your. Y-oo-er. Y. Oo is spelled O-U in this word. Apostrophe R-E. Your. They are is there. Z-A-er. Z. A is spelled E-Y at the end of this base word. And we add the contraction R-E for R. There. And the last two is going to be have. We have a word in front of have. Remember, the V has an E at the end because it is protecting it from the end of the word. It's not making the A say its long sound because that still says a. So what we do is we drop off the H and A and we use the apostrophe, but the V and the E remain. So we have I have is I've. I, apostrophe, drop the H and the A, put the V-E. And then we have. We have is we've. W-E, drop the H-A, V. W-E, V. We've. Ooh-wee, that's a lot of contractions. But it's really pretty easy if you remember this card right here. For not, you drop the O and use an apostrophe. For is and has, you drop the beginning of the word and only put apostrophe S. It does not represent possession. It only is showing that it is a contraction. R, you drop the A and use the apostrophe. Have, you drop the H and A and use the apostrophe. Alright, well I hope you do very well on your test and use conjunctions at will. See you next time.